Welcome to the channel. In this video we will see how we can check whether a C++ compiler is properly installed and configured in our computer. Now what we have to do is we have to click on the start button and we have to open up the terminal or the command prompt. In this example I will open up the terminal, and if you open up the command prompt also, then the process will be same. Now here we will see whether a C++ compiler is installed or not. G++ is one of the most widely used C++ compiler. We will see whether it is installed or not. So here we have to type in G++ space minus minus version, and after that we have to hit the enter key. If you see a message like this where we can find the version number of this program called as G++ that is installed in our computer, then it means that the C++ compiler is properly installed and configured in our computer. If you see a message something like this, which states that the term G++ is not recognized as the name of the commandlet, function, script file or operable program, then it means that the C++ toolset, which includes compiler and other programs, is not installed in your computer. And after this, we will see whether a debugger for C++ programming is installed or not. GDB is one of the popularly used debugger. So we will see whether it is installed or not. So here I will type in GDB space minus minus version, and then I will hit the enter key. And you guys can see, we see the version number of this program called as GDB that is installed in this computer. Now again, if you see an error message in here, then it means that the GDB debugger is not installed in your computer. Now if the C++ compiler and the debugger is not installed in your computer, and if you want to install them, then I have a tutorial available which shows how you can install the latest version of the C++ toolset. So this is it guys for this particular video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. If you have anything to say, write that in the comment box. For more tutorials, subscribe to the channel.